Palau, President of Senate, Tokmans Paulus, marugol senators, Speaker Kanay, marugol delegates, Vice President Oilo, mar minister sa Bangat Raral Tutaw, matalaka cabinet, irigal malungil tutal mora governors, lators, tugubet sa radar belal, ngara sila blur bera ngara ayal mora potcharigi, mga rekre blur bera relal sils. Irigal malungil tutaw, mora Chief Justice ngiray galaw, marbekla tara justices. Ida agora di mo controle do mu el fora mora di tela press conference in so del mo sign at tablo executive order se la tutaw. El gumra lo hacen mu tel help yidra clisiela urered ra sabakle lama manggaringi la pelwat. So sel first el boda sign ni sel dosen coordinated maritime management. Tiang nani sel deals tiang le sel itangar tegela da deals real tutao. Tiga ulero mungela AG they came up with a recommendation and tell both signed executive order is based on sel recommendation or tilo asing kloa angal sang sela communication or adrongale legal kakarosel lentitil girela makarangela tapeta ma sabakle mang giradal lulat taala mang sa ulang coordinated dodol dakartin min sil adadu degal lirak lauderi mo tumot ma coordinate aurerir mang spesiya aurera dara tialuk klagarngela adabel belau material wal terul co-chairs tial urior angaria a director public safety director elobot madirigal director bureau of marine transportation director Moses mang kita amlaria domoyaseng national strategy lidera junior 2020 el wasesel ngaraleda kada meser tial debed mongin mangarangir trial mesois dialor turgal mesois trial member or angira debed maigel niar murtral selap abelo aigel daseng IUU maigel ya adirigal mesois bel domeseng mesois bedegal el ngaria atele del mre del momes aigel dial malube da do las mal murur tin bola kal sin mesois brabelwat mang clau tutrela tiagi del lurior alomul el mohel pertir mang tamo gaing sero ko tia selda sen coordinated tia mal tokara de la dal mang ngaria national security coordinator ngaria attorney general ngaria bureau of marine transportation ma bureau anemo ma public safety ma chiefra divisionary yidra maritime security ma fish and wildlife EQPB fisheries, environment, tourism, employment services, customs, public health, PNAA, Bureau of Foreign Affairs. Tiga mal betul direktore, belum dekat sel kasues, makadamu terol dakartir. Tiga lang, tadi kan ada most of them adal sel next executive order both sign game. Kadamal. Yeah, it's a whole of government approach girela aka klagarngel masabaklela adabel bela. So adilungi le elbertia da saingeri. Tangartia rogui. Please come. And our friends from Dales join as we sign executive order number 491. Okay, so elal 8th day, 7th day, 7th day of May. Okay, Sula. Berenda kamu orang, oh? Di Martia. Oh, ako, umroh siya. Kami lagi nga ng Christian next. May sendia. Okay. So, ngultira kersegi del digilt مكليل executive order number 475 الملي coordinated border management تيا دقديلو صادرة دا صادرة airport so it's air and sea combined تيا the bill earlier said September 2022 September 21 2022 since that time kada namesalo sing ngaregel tiramlat mage help rigidra sa especially sisibele lamkit se gira del mutum li siri ga ulga damenda sing ngaregel sia del mul smisia uror tarable identifier sing namogirel part tial CBM sel FIU tial Financial Institutional Intelligence Unit. Tirge giren ngari le kada qadome sa tokora mani nandre ma usually tokora kitelgar tirge lo migila tokora movement rawdo important part tial process. Tirge gal waseng close to trela after ang ngari gidel maklol bast lal batige ingil الموت ما جاسي مرايجل ملويل درول ما يجنا رايجل غساسات يدرو ترسميسي أورور سل رولدوس بيرين الترم المساعدة سيد الأكتيفيتيا هات واش موريا هات واش رتير يلا كده أنا مورا كولد واش دي تيجا مورا هات واش يدريغل ترى موتاسكر تيل نراسل تيل إكزيكيوتيف أوردر Milisira ureder, giri lo toda idea tira al sela within 75 days. Giri la milisira al ma yel regulations ra apelwa del spesi tial ureder ra mengkaringnya la adab ma ngara nyidil ngara ekrela blur bela. And you know, I'm just thinking of one the director of customs and immigration saying customs act. I mean that's one of the things namo raga maragal to saudari and dindiri kabul la and mari leng mur olbile amal kamangan sentinel page director apati 200 plus mlet 300 I remember mlet 300 alam 100 plus ningo adri kemringan marale mga those are examples ra aurel girel magatmok egada gados pe anges or bil so hopefully como termula ge recommendation or mi gadar sen mortil mutroli tertilo se me deuro gira gal to to terla girela sa bakle la bla ina I know lo se tare recommendation kita se ngedam lisia ludri girela tora atrax man yel ngarigal for example asumu ngara do aurel البلاد بتقدر على أكيد التقوي يدل ممرق الأوريور. But the other thing البلاد السوبية they're going to increase our fines and you know just sell last sell bastra Hong Kong قال رديل bastra غير Hong Kong الكون ولا بعد رخص مرة بلور بلاو finer سياق ميدل $1 million يا finer كده الأدري 50,000 ما يجا مال بتوقع يشتروا لودهم مغمو advisor other all being to kaya lul daswal ma kol si sa kartin to mo mesaya ge igada kaya se urgut mok sula so oksaner tial execute order again 492 so Sulang our recommendation and executive number 492. So, last week pa mle dibu sa akmem na umre ka press conference. Umre ka sula vice president mle hold the press conference. Kita amla ra Blue Rashabal amla sel World Expo. Minister tulak mre ka sula mel no se mel el secretary tiga look puigra sonsorol. Tira ul mangia del ukmora Blue Rashabal look omte ra Blue sonsorol uko tia culture gidra I get el blue. But you know, one of the things that is at World Expo, the health of our planet, how to live sustainably. It was so good to have Trigaladra Sonsrol there, really represent themselves our biggest challenge, which is climate change. Al sumadol adimral morba begel bla modibus abol dibus en remid sel kachur tirma se remid ati gida del gainga seol other tial blul other ro motma magal motmokr tial lugelak langar ya rubakal dio samlam skida mang I think at World Expo that definitely was highlighted. One of the pavilions that we were able to visit sel a Blue Ocean Pavilion. I'm focus on Blue Ocean Pavilion, plastic pollution. Interestingly, hotel cloud polluter plastic pollution, of course, in Sina. And then huri ping ma Indonesia o giwulen. Egida angaraygal yun sirgide kadamaral dimra ragarger. Mlamo malaswar sel mlamo kloa ayagidele plastic nga rata gadi om beselom bibak everywhere na sel ngara earthing na moklo tiangara we all have to take responsibility. You know, at World Expo, of course, 28 million people will visit that area this year, and I think it's important that we always educate others how we need to be responsible. You know, one of the things that we've been doing, inviting different investor groups in Merablur Belo. Itial group lang Hong Kong, and they're made up of Taiwanese, Europeans, Americans, just a mix of people. Kasi kabora northern mura south mas singarate al we want to encourage you to invest. And you know, one of the discussions that came up was say brak klabo ko lablumiu ila ko mga mokori and you take care of it. Imora tirgada adra English hindi ka kera siaba. Ako lang singa man kera siaba lang kasi well safe al blue. Ongiru ngotter clean. That's why they decided mokira siaba lang arang lagi. And I think, you know, that's something that we, you know, the other fellow say we keep our place clean, but we should do more. Lesel el modo matrak leng tomli tial image tial bugalak pangarigid kita mal blakan mo mat mokri. In fact, tadang siapa lang makasapla komi. Ngase makasapla komi, hindi ada dingara tadi magyagare emdanya no say you don't litter. Makitera. We everybody takes that responsibility to keep things clean, and I think that's an important message that we need to help people understand. Was a taraula rada samrial marabalwat clean abalwat, but that takes us actively to keep it clean. Especially sel dosa plastic rada sumudi al gomirgi de tutangal mommai. Hindi kasi blamer other Indonesian, other Uriping, still ang obibakrabal. So let's all jointly take care of it. Before that I was in Australia, the Mororsel Smart Energy Conference. And one of the things that the Southern Smart Energy Conference, same Southern, I got renewables at Australia and how much progress they've made. In fact, they had reached, I think, 40%. Their goal is they're going to reach 80% renewables by 2030. One of the things that we, of course, it's so important that Australia hosts COP31 to make it a Pacific Cup, to bring the focus and a Pacific. Congratulate Prime Minister Albanese sel Labour Party. Dimna win by majority, the overwhelming victory. I think it's the largest victory of members of parliament. And I think it partly shows what I said, other Australia, they care about the planet, but they care about the people. And they care about the Pacific. The government outgoing and incoming, the same government in Australia, has really shown what I say, they value the Pacific, they value the partnership, and they want to take a leading role. So we congratulate them. We look forward to working with them. Qantas flights, they just sent a team here before the elections. Renewable transition. Gidam dengel wasikaduk malmo advance magmalingil aptol solar panel merbelaw. So we need batteries. And the Australian government has a program and help battery. They just came and presented April 24. This is what we need, and we need to be. We need more funding, but we need help. So, Naria Grantel, Biscuit Australia, we hope that the new government will increase it to make sure it's a government sell neither because they also identified there was a in the past, and they isolated but with all the renewables that we've added to the grid, and subira singara angaralo en mata dengira orior letedi one system. So we need to put in safety switches and other things and help isolate all the time. So that's one of the things that they identified, and they've already identified the system. So most of the RFP soon will start from equipment, and not only the help reader outages, but at the same time help reader excess solar produce at all time. One of the other things that we also want to share as a supplemental budget the other news other news Mr. Uludong, of course Mr. Sola Dabel Lulmugel Mora Expo Sulang Raigel Nakamle Ortobra media Rian Malungit Tuta Miss Sungyama Kida Malung Trador Bill was saying Malangarigan Plututrel Banglar Atrablu. Now Umrega second regular session, of course, Andriga Bill passing in May would be nice, but anyway, Andriga Bill but I think a budget atara close. In fact, in the inauguration, I got diesel request the mall was in Pasara 480. And the cell request adrigam there la supplemental amlamong still another number celebrate our senior citizens makmal congratulate our seniors gidam na multimo kuri we congratulate ourselves vice for another year the cell 480 man close to tell la dot bedil mon certificat seniors ukti kadida do parilo mentri kadira kalong certira tira Brazil la atanang okla Digidam dengan was a sale 480. Amlar a sale tial budget tra 2025. Amle mondaniel all beer sale time. adi luluasi dia ka pasrin dia ka shoot out do magada kadim le authorize edim na ka appropriate well mlang mereka first quarter report and now mereka second quarter report mal dia ka ngal sela do adi ngal sela time la awan basang le saya appointment tri da ministry o taksan madingil masingara basang arindi maybe sige dala basang arindi I hope let's focus raigel ngia los pera tra blue real time so kung may differences rigid let's get the supplemental done de kadil 480 mini game samrail may semngia sul mortriel el otros peangia sura tukara dengi maral marisel low income subsidy same run out we need to get those back on track yeah I know Vice President ang artem masaulala hindi ka lawasi sir dire kal nga sukulingit trim dire kal nga alsel ma education mo kasi maaralakal ma anyway the list goes on di kita amlo ay we reported at Sora was a 12% economic growth dire last year may total help para that should be our job so akmayo la sa olbi loba idib dire kal ba sa la raking ala Senate, so I'm asking the Senate to act. Terdido, dekal siya di malmol di alalak. Katrablo osperi. With that, di sokal mumatian sa Vice President, teams kita update rin, and then mumbreka sa Minister to teams kita update rin na yung wala kita is here wire line, and yes.
Ungil tutaw President, ungil tutaw mora adra Palau, magmira adra media rogui. Hindi makasay President Eli ang May 6, ulamo la Nurses Week ra Balur Palau tal Sunday. Ako mesra Jennifer Sugyamang malwara pakrakar tamatal mal merenga sulel lulbang kamamara amatala PCC whole day. Direkal President tamle sign self proclamation ra Eli direkal mlera amatala PCC mga bentirar Nurses tal gibel time. Di da daure nga sulira Bureau ra Agriculture gukmle donate tabibira dallo may part ti ay gidal tuwera nurse ra eli ongerunge President el alsils ra 1 PM ang aringi sel ribbon cutting mo open sel ngia CHC Community Health Center nga Orior nga bitara Coror Elementary School sa moringi ra 1 PM maktiregal mga madawag mer adra medial wasable sa miul mi attend ringi sa guk mo provide service el morar adult care al sela blur Orior mang kitial telal weeks ago yung guk mo open sel guk nga angram lungoy tiyang moringi ribbon cutting ringi al sil sendi mo mga asmerel officially raklugo al May 8 Ongede Presidente sel waya kay gel tigingem esolaya tial Ministry gidra Health and Human Services mar management ringi amla review sel MOU lo bangela Belura India mang mo sabi edal guk explore gel guk other options sel mo malaya kar pharmaceutical drugs Rabalura India masay MOU wato giungi emro ko start mo explore ay gidal baby resources of medical drugs me Rabalura Palau of course the swada cheap and at the same time and swada quality mang make sure was gel nga lo gel Palau ay kay amitar will standard rato ko rakar ko gel al sala Rabalura Palau bol clone rear Rabalura Palau finally Ngarngi sela almlagut mag-claim at tial hospital board. Siya mo nga artial mo separate artial hospital. Mo nga under sel hospital board. Last week, lo finally lo sa amal meet lo manggel sel board tiagi del hospital board for the first time. Actually, in second time, gureng salwa sa mlarngi a first meeting lo manggela tiam lo regal administration or kay president naringi selguk ongerul meeting naringi last week magim limit so la guk kasara way forward waseng kadmakarang about implementer tiay gidal mga tmok like plans execute tiay plans al implementer tiay gidal mo separation ra hospital gid artial ministry mang goram lam katmok kulway say ma ngarnya mo dir ka malmo ma alda du I'm sure kami adra media di mo matangeruriw was yang raigel ngi aku mo makatmok la lo tutte ti ay gidal ngi amla mo la rablur belaw mang aktingul mo ri say gide presidente ka msulak.
Sura, Vice. Kumatam sa Mr. Tutu.
Tuta President, ma Vice President adra media, ma adra bela rogui. Tiang leilaniam kota tal di moger nga krabek kel Sunday, ma bekel press conference ak mutel skoging mo sebro ingara rasyawal May. Mal marungo dalo wais ak musera alas till Wednesday. And finally kadam le increasel agreement tal bangla United Airlines. Mong officially flight del merbela mo sebro mera October 29th. Say first flight. Hindi according to United yang ra May 9th say May 8th ramrigel is el live booking platform ra UA amo sa edal book of flight sa Rowi. Siya mo open mo rabulul ad ngidil ad el swebgal merbela Europe Middle East ramrigel amo live ra sa edal May 9th. Sa edal mo online book of flight sa edal merbela. Sel flight president twice a week. Mang sel Narita Koror amo operate ra Wednesday ma Saturdays. Sel Koror Narita operate ra Thursday ma Sundays. Sa ikalaw ay Israel Alwa sa urang asula la United Airlines. Of course, President persistent sa niya ulit tiyam lotokoy. Hindi nga niya private sector partners sa gidal direct. Kadawring asula la Palau Pacific Resort. May gidale Indigo Hotel through Mr. Yasudal no sa El Kongay. Even though direkal open a hotel ngi, aldo do lom kila president tenggil ngi. Luwas mo part of tel consortium will support flights in Merbelao. This is a 3-year agreement, meaning el next 3 years and guaranteed ng nga gigil tablol flights a week. El bookable online, mandekal wagel previous arrangements el charter. Mung tara malungil ay sa namang nga asimra. Mora travel directly from Shabal Merbelo. Say directly so announce wasing through efforts directly lobangela Qantas. Ya aldo loban tira wasing elan sabir ada Shabal lo Brisbane narita eku return lo Belao back to Brisbane. Directly mga simra north and south lo Spear Belao is a hub. Kung irun directly so kalau ay se atra medial wasing kadamal ng tangating takatingel double tokoy. Gel Minister Fukuoka, nga Minister of Health, Labor and Welfare Asyabal. Interestingly enough, el Lurior at Tokora Iuis, el repatriated Trigel World War II war dead at Asyabal, el Melmol man namang kotek tarak. Amlo sabel ngegi del Minister mle mang Presidente ilmang mamam marabli lor sera Sunday. Actually sera Monday, mle holiday. Hindi lingit at mo medyo damit lang siya di imolte el merbelaw. Ang katangya lang kaya del wadro ulle la ministerio nel mlo meser sa del lorior. Mang se klo tutelel lang nga gel blal batik el mass burial sites. According to the minister ng oriol manggela direk el archives ra merigel. Ito na mostatal identify kung marigel significant burial sites el ngarabalilyo. Mga yaura. Sergi Borablilyo, mlo sabi mo ding lagi rogul sites, mlo matigan ngit mutya adakal biota lurior. Mlo tigan ngarbabla adakal bololut ay gal migre lurior, magim lo mlisabek ladro aryo, mlo understand darang lesa lurior. Hindi mli announce el mergidal waseng umura 2026, ito mo dabla efforts ertir. Rabot balilyo mga yaura, el soril make sure that lurior amre dal momrek, unsil repatriated trigal adril nomade arablilyo le according to him trigal families trigal were dead adimral mo wodol maklo tutlela ngani closure sa gidal kok partrak lang aratir digigide presidenta di of course ngara bebir aldadul gibol sao that kora possible museum bebira aldadul gira langes wol sebela shabalong siorgin
Aspira.
ma direkal na niya mention ra nga sur mor hospital. Nga interesting ng direkal club portfolio ngilang sa other hospital mulmuta social security. Pero ada siya pan. Kumsulang.
Since sa hospital, tingwa تعالوا مسا منستر بيعملوا كلاب تيت ريد رايجل لجرانت ريجل بليل ستوب.
Sulang Presidente Malungil Tawli mo ang artiklado. Aniya, unting irmang arisen, le negotiator yung Presidente Gilela. Ako subel mo mo darula, alis sa ospital at Ranta, no subel, lotobi sira January rela. Nombre la aurora, ne vuole l'aurora se non grande e tutti assessment e proponiamo se tuo la e quindi era del day e quindi la notte della identifica la posizione la roba se mette bene la mai bene e lui posso dire se non essere ospitato. Dobbiamo vedere di el Selagal Margolerung del Bui Laria lo dio el Maraga Tial es el administration Rablura Mrigere el Am Katingilo ba el ne informa Kidma presidente lo hace sel grant ay akum na es el todo lo esperingo aseta mo pos mo kodora ang olakli marko mingila toy a last week no sabalil informer president makabelmen terbelaw alwa say gel beranda a fight hanggang regional director USTDA ra Indo-Pacific amlos well informer president makabelmen terbelaw alwa sel el quorum ni temporary pause el granta abla liftering mamlamo sa bela urol malmol elang next step pa urol of 3 rol top der sel RFP girela hiring ra consultant talme e mo ra urol loban get diregal gel guk director ra toera aviation ra USTDA adirekam na inform president was saying ngaringi 1.2 1.3 million elbol direkal blal kangiringi USTDA kuk mo mesra a master plan ra airport tergit mang kadamal mereng asule lam rigera igal tablo especially USTDA ra igal tablo project al mal maclo project involve millions of dollars ringi material sel effort tara president tirger ro kuil adal tiram ne involve ra negotiation ra ya kadam amis sarte elaurior sulang president
Sula minister nagpapun girawa question.
A question di follow up Minister Dr. Orsa report tel United and mo start fly October 29, did you say? Oh, kung na-mention nila sa nga niya kay private companies at tira came together support tel flight kung na-mention na PPR Maindico Hotel. So, I'm experiencing support specifically. How are they supporting your project?
To support our marketing efforts. Direkal nga niya, gel baby rat lang tingin sa agreement tala dapat siya kaman mo kumakal masahod. Din nga niya agora arrangement ra a government tergid bagi dal private companies ma sojits gira lagi dal flights.
I guess one incentivize the team, make sure that they gets full. mutual garantir o kaya kalmo mas asko.
Sige na para part ra sige the strategy.
So it's Miguel Hotel ka din naka-mention na piyak.
Oh, apia ka part tial
Girel team effort. Kaya dam nga sa piyak owned by Shurjit. So Miguel mklol kombalera Shabal. All of them together need to be supporting her tial route.
the bigger
Yun yung
arrangement
ilang-
is to build a packages mo atter sa dal magigas kogi.
And that's why they wanted 6 months. They can see the statara. They say tilo dra PDN or some statara next month. They say no. We want to make sure the plane is full. So we have to advertise. United say the best is at least 6 months. And nga booking online because people plan way in advance. So
Al time ko the other shabal scheduler tira start ultra packages for the winter season. من داخل أذي ترى الألبويل أو نقطة ترى الألبويل أذي ترى الألبويل قد ميسرا winter وما spring. للا تبرنت تيجي رجول packages البولو ترى الألمو November. سيأكلوا توتل البارتر سي. قد يدري غلو سبير تلتي على إكسبو. على دو لو من جري الغون بالي روبوي. أمو ملاسم المانيا representative تيلو ترى packages رأس يلا بودر يدري إكسبو نعم سبيل. Adiregal tara marketing efforts adiregal san momaran di bahal ko aisin ko ger ngaringi sele mangara shabal peliliu se famous el mangal masaudra peliliu kamlan ngar adril merbela le film se bolorungin mo anime mo movie ya part ado lobantri rak mo se edel diregal hopefully by August before I'll end the expo and se edel diregal lobal promoter se diregal mo parte ke gidel hotera for a consortium of marketing efforts.
Muito tá, presidente. Ang saragi ko naman military kausa ka. Ako tulad din lang kung may agirin sa kumungot pang. Hindi vice president tamli.
lagi next time ako pa medyo.
Oo, vice. Ibang ka vice presidente, dimlel mo na doon presidente Marayan. E may irmam mo sa talitak seltorem di gubang. Magiduludan sa mo alon mo klok. Numrin o mamara all days. Anyway, president ko na mal at meron mo tulong sa tiyal naringira siya ko tulong di tiyal kada mangulo ang tanga sa tingal model nung isa ito. Di siya kada kalombe sa presidente manamong kasarat. Kumya naradagayok lakon na kumlot pa mo. Ako rin sa kumanin siya kada. Di mo maratata hospital ako ti narada mulgayo ka. Ari liata umro temle celebrate ra hotel. So ako tungil hotel ra. Hotel gibul modra. Elan mil ragin ko mo niya bes. Ding kasar ade president. Malo milan malo bes na to ko na sa dito musik na bigla. Yang ako mi amral amal. Loon monday kita romes. Ya kita ke ani ako ro de suela. Parliamentary kita la. Usiga aldo ulah sa kanang makaranga talmo. Program housing ano business ang rang attractor ada may ada mora ikal perlu kasi lo mesek tim se order my right agil mari ako raw das long term lo das ka das ni mutmokl kirel tiak mari imbal braw do marol la teleparo
malungil ger Yermang, I think tila summarize aurera draigan now amregal in 5 years yamal molmal malisi. That's exactly what we're doing. So kada malisi ragi izari the diversifying the siga basel the rule also the nga sa ududi rara the provide benefits everything from la kada lam alisa program and help program wadal lomstrira alan chertir tigan mal los peanges. Those are the little things that kita malas will improve rak langar bekel other bela especially wadal kita amdiyel was one of the other things that unfortunately adram legela ukna sendram bring it in melgela are veterans. We were working in Girela veterans was able full benefits ang arbela. They've Gel Bessel Secretary awal say not at this time. but that doesn't mean was ingil the stop order. Ingil man mall order, Mrs. order. And I think one of the things that the regal said the gut maklia na mo yadal ngania separate office el gira office ra compact el full time ra ngani tol the kaya issues. In fact, one of the issues that was brought up this morning are other return ng ara Miguel May e mo challenge tira SS. Mon model nga SS tirleng hindi na file or hindi na report in time. So kadiri ka lo aset sumga kamlara ay krela blur belan me naram regel me mala SS kam la stop and you need help ayo aset bible taskara ministeriya da minister tu maradal la mail tal helper til fill a form certier or whatever they need to do mail SS certier am regel whatever for whatever reason and let cancel. I think one of the things that Minister Jenkins got help rather individually. We have to have also a process of government government issues because we need to help them and make sure Albert Belao at the continuing legal benefits sector. So, Minister Matula.
By the issue, the instructed by Minsil was in Maningel Kelori ng first floor tel one-stop shop. Yung citizen shop placement officer again. Ngia bok assign ringin ngidil adal nganya wara issue ngira social security ngira merigen memelesan nganya process bolo sa klama ma Dr. Jenkins magi mo nga sa muilon nga sa til make sure that ma SS til merigen.
Maybe to follow up question Minister, just follow up sa kwa kanila lagi dali ng mga doon sa 2020 census, total other Belao may nga 11,000 marami. Rest around. Out of that, about 3,000 plus tiramli 55 and over. That's senior citizens. Kita matingin after 2020 may ilangin itong flow of migration and tiyak ito ka na musli. So, Tomisra, just totally, hopefully, it as a census ako maski na updated number. Kadamal mo to na mong pasay. So, what if follow up sa question, I just try sa question na pali nirmang ano si with this population I can policy toro na ang developer economy with this number nga mo change. Relate to ko I understand that nga migration policy pasangim. Can you unsap ML ko ratel given smoothie say maybe a percent of sa to that the second policy with this number of people nga mo change I get policies kami umisel time.
Cell migration policy loro nga dire ngara melengel. Dari ako bolmerer. Parte sel study ni moru ni amsu mututwat ala action arbelaw. Ngara lolo available. Malasim dire kal figure out mututwat ala action arbelaw ngani adu. Mong akpayo rin mo pas ko matalgi bol time kay mesel al mo ngara end October November. Hopefully in sel top sa gidal study plus tel census. Man sa ito ka gidal data mo clearly o message mo ko tamaral patulog. Al time hindi kal sal clear ay gidal data. Even mar other nga rekler bela undak do tet mut tamal wanga tekkerger wanga to urtir segi del stadil ke burgira hopefully sa mal mo clearly also moral lawyer available wanga raklungel workforce gid mas skill set certain si inmit gid jobs siya su amray na kalta.
So prior to COVID said the 2019 numbers in 11,000 plus are other order. Mla drop mo 9,000 in the middle of COVID. Ila kadam la mutal bakal langalak percent 2019 number. So uri orang ari one of our biggest challenges ngari udo regal. And I think that's something that we've been consistent on trying to do as mga the race out do other order. That's an important thing that we need to address. But the other thing Florida sa mal sorry sa Singapore Singapore, one of the things they do when it comes to their labor policies every foreign worker ngil kong bale haro $200 a month. Lo bang foreign worker or sis bring UAE charges 5,000 for 2 years. So one of the things that the Roma saying is that's what improve the migration. First, we have to raise the cost of other blue. Mayel Udo invest training and other. So it does two things. It gives us money, it's either upskiller or other order. Send people for scholarships, demand that they come back. But because I'm not increase the cost of other blue, as a company, I'm willing to pay more than other people. So these are policies that we need to look at and improve. Sell the other belo sell other belo. Murugara ka dito asin kadagi ka belum dasi tamo Singapore. Ika kadam sube kasi kadam karami apply mura. But then how do we advance as a country? And la kita nangar olbil ito asin di ka kapiri kita Singapore kadam malaki ka belum. Di ngari ang policy sa rola Singapore ang wil dosu be met apply. So
Medic President, so iba madin dimla katola data or other losi ka in the last couple of years, again, ang balisal online registration, mga telo-officer kita one stop. Since January, may 138 vacancies sa private sector. Mga rangaral sila government. May 37 residents sa apply, 44 are non-residents. That online, masira adal outside of their apply. Hindi kita na rulya website tergit, skumukura ka non-resident, apply, yung aning sale 30-day hold, dahil luodak mong dekal sale, wall holder ng atrang hotel blue git o sigra local of three rokul resident mlay 37 namle apply online 12 amle walk in mer officer git civic center 3 were non-citizen residents. 4 residents were not hired due to factors including employer preference for non-residents, mental health concerns, cultural considerations. 10 residents, including civil service applicants, were successfully placed and interviewed and hired. Since, I guess, the last 4 or 5 months, ikaw na mo sa talkipa data na ato ko. Nakatira kang malso kal invite rangi dil ato lo sigaw diyor. Kaya di ka dil bora ato lo sigaw diyor, mortrigal dire kal as kubok nga sel informal industry president, mortrigal briga son sorol ato o mangin. Trigem na sabi ilmer officer gid, mangal kilorim na helper tira first floor gid. Lotong utrir al sila system. Then sabi ML other mga addressers ling alang maharay gel require the SS ma NHI ma MSR kaw hindi ka mga at system tamal ka sabi ML tiya ka insurance kaw tiya nga open mo rangi dil adal ela ka tangi na present na opening mo social security number gel material siguk sorry mo so use para system gider belal atra informal industry marusi kaw diyor. Kadi Marcel first floor one-stop shop across the Airwood Park. Kadi sorry sa sim na tega left tinggal hotel adal mesa nga kilori gasel mo sukaw. Mas kami kapit yan mo online sa
Thank you. Question about upcoming graduations for like Palau School and stuff. The facilities are still being, well, the facilities are being used for the mini games. So is there any?
Good morning, and thank you for the question. This has been an issue which we've been addressing over the past month or so. The mini games are going to be using a lot of our MOE facilities in terms of housing for the games participants. And so those, if you go by any of our schools in Karur now, they look like construction zones, and they are construction zones. But the majority of the work is being done either after school or on weekends, so they're not impinging on the educational process as much. Also, the safety of the students is being a concern. So if you look around, there's either our safety barriers around all of the facilities. That has caused us to have some of our aide teachers and assistants on the campuses on the weekends to supervise and assist in the moving of equipment. And so we are looking at an increased cost on that. All this leads up to the graduation, though. The graduation community college, I believe, is next week, right? The 16th. And it's a very special one for us because we are going to be having 20 of our teachers, our cohort, we call them, who will be receiving their bachelor's degrees at one time. That's the first time that's happened. We are so grateful for the Community College and for Dr. Talay for his efforts, and for the University of Guam, who have worked really hard to bring a quality educational program for our teachers. So as of I guess next week, we'll have 20 new bachelor degree teachers in the classrooms. So that's a major plus for us, and we're looking at for next year starting a similar program. So as a result, what we've done is we've asked to change 2 of our days and make the date of the Palau College graduation. There will be no school that day. So we want to get all the students, parents, and teachers the opportunity to attend that graduation ceremony, to see the special day for those people. And we've switched those days, and so we will now have classes on June 9th. So we're not losing any time. So we're just trying to make it up to, so we can be a part of that ceremony. Beyond that, of course, we have the high school graduation, which will be coming up in June, a little bit later. And we are looking at the facilities in terms of what we can do to make sure we have the best facility possible for our students in their graduation ceremony, as special an evening as that is. And we've been meeting with the National Olympic Committee, working on the facilities and how we can make that happen for them. So as of right now, we're still in negotiations, I guess we're saying.
Again, the update read again. So there's a lot of ongoing projects. So that you tell our sensei, my students, because if you look at there's currently $8 million worth of repairs going on in the schools to try to get them ready for the games, because I got my house that are athletes. Horror Harris and Palau High School. Mga sulit trial, mamunes, trial sensei, lower overtime and try to make sure that we move chairs in and out to get the repairs done. And you know, it really takes the whole community. Yeah, the hosting involves everyone. Mga sula Ministry of Education, marang alagad. The sacrifice those pegal facilities and we want to thank them. This all, next week, I'll be gone. I'm going to Australia again. So we had a trip in Australia. Kaya attend their travel days in Kane's crocodile event. Tiang trial na artist our tour agents amora Kane's and then they invited me to speak at that event. You know, anytime there's an opportunity to advertise in Palau, so that's what we're doing. Promoter Palau. Of course, I said, a little bit around Australia, anytime, especially the new government, notably serious, they'll really read. So, and I'll be going. I'll come back on Friday to attend graduation. And then, just as an update, after that, Blura Taiwan and a state visit. So I'll be back in Palau, and then I'm going to Taiwan the following week. I'll get a state visit. I'm going to present Taiwan. We will say more common graduation or UOG. And at the end of June, this will be my 4th trip in Blura Shaban. And the future of Asia. Tadrigan askari del Mamadou, give ma Prime Minister, I think Cambodia, Laos, and the Blue Magala Prime Minister Shaban. This is held by Nikkei every year, and they ask us to speak at that event, Morsera, and May. So the return, I last trip even more a Monaco, Nice, Geneva. To attend. One is a disaster. Well, it's give remarks in Geneva, Monaco, and Blue Ocean Economy and Finance, and then in Nice, the UN Oceans Conference. So, question present the of island. Well, yeah, part of so kada I think most importantly kita parta dalala gal blura blulad and one of the reasons why we're able to get assistance, the reason why we're able to bring tourists in Merbela, I got engagement I got blue le khargid ma kala area khargid mo nanga sigada no di busel table time but dangal tangat tengar this tengar sesera ministers ngari igida mir trial rest hopefully adik medung mori with that we like to look at things positively, and I think most important we need to help people be positive. So they're always again negative, but forget about the negative. Let's talk about the positive. Mang Jennifer, kama dilwang amlam alitiar toy wasing gira del ngara ice bucket challenge. So nga kamo rito wasing le promise 11 o'clock lang kaya din may 11 o'clock na more serio and mom lol ba ice hindi kasi it's such an important thing kita yourself to sa mental health we always think of them sa makabulong or it's a bad stigma that relate to it. Yeah, mental health is about thinking positively and helping and encouraging each other and not bringing people down, stopping most of bullying help milisi balur bela atara utang arbab trier malak tangar tir nalgela balur bela yadi qadir say tamagi qarel saan atrongala trui meya el mora odema imarakrir kada lame sersira they've been tracking it for the last for a long time, but for the last 15 years consistent el cloa tiagid el epidemic era balur bela mo clo to trela apolo dinero say where can they reach out for help. Of course, ngani said 775 talk sil morie selo ngara ministry health modura di qadid say tiagirel ngara letro it's a community thing kida as parents agad modura no arangal get al sum gada oqtamli arangal manuba gada antirana destrire be observant moment active as ngara traveler be open loreng serti spend time with aiga ulaiga issue sa moria among song sa tema de lo bantri ngai group of investors na artiang ngale imora rupaka they're investors but they want to do sustainable development, they want to do social development. One of the things you plesta in Africa, they call it grandmothers counseling. Any child that has a problem would call them up stories and discuss issues, challenges. Their life we also went through the same struggles, and if we share with them, maybe we can encourage them this year. So, challenge. Friday, 24 hours. Mal delay, mal moktukal ay sa kulol brela. Dik askara, terror minister sa se komcho na aktigote challenge kung hindi mo 24 hours. Hindi na sincer. No, so adilungile dita announce igel tanjo birarat edone asune da por serio. So, tiagid. Kita mtingin aseng rol mrenga sulir tigel tira aurora bekal silsel tira mishoria del other bera rogui aurora kabelment. So, tanjo bir tira dal sil. So, I want to say happy birthday mora Kirk Turbine. Gangara PNAA, National Aviation Authority rir nga aluga kabo nga madrim na kome order office rir el naito ngara lur hawaii consol general git happy birthday dire Clive Tele nga airport operations minister obina. So with that oman sula Dios el lolmol mo tatrabrot ngide rogoy manek se uppe takasus nada.